This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Music Bot on Discord. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to add Music Bot on Discord, and now what if you how to use this bot, how to play music, how to play this bot music. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord, and if you want to listen to music first, of course, you can go to your server and you can go to the voice server, your voice server. And now you can go to your text server. If you see on the general, if you first add the bot music, you can see there's the basic command like how to play. If you want to play the music, if you want to skip the music, you want to leave, and if you want to set up the curtain bot features like this, you can read the basic command in here. So if you want to play music, I prefer you can create the new one, text channel, and you can enter like this the comment, play. You can enter the music name that you want to play. For example, like this. Now we can send this comment. You can open your voice channel and it's playing. The bot is playing the music, right? You can hear it. And if you want to mute, you want to stop this, you can go to the text channel and you can write like this. So the music will stop. The bot will leave the voice channel. And if you want to play music from YouTube, you can just copy the link. For example, I will open the YouTube first. YouTube, you can search for YouTube. You can search for the playlist, the music, video maybe that you want to play. Like this. For the example, I want to play this music playlist. This one. So you can copy the link. Wait, it's still at. You can copy the link in here. Now you can go back to your Discord. You can enter the comment and play space, and you can paste the link like this. So you can play it. But maybe sometimes there is a bug. Maybe sometimes there is a bug on the bot, so it won't play on the voice channel. But you can try with another method maybe. So that is how to use the music bot on your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.